sasagot sa ating tanong. Tara. Boss, sandali lang boss. May tanong ako sa'yo boss. Pagka tumakbo boss. Ano yung ganyan? May tanong ako sa'yo. What was your media literacy perception before and what is view now?
Before, I thought the media literacy only meant knowing how to use social media or watching videos online. Now, I understand that media literacy means knowing how to understand information, check if it is true, and not really believe everything you see on the internet or TV.
May tatanong lang ako sa'yo. Can you recall a recent situation where media literacy could have been useful?
Yeah. For example, if people share friends now on Facebook, what checking needed, yeah, literacy can help them take fact check and learn and experience or information.
Salamat, pre.
Uy pre,
May tanong ako.
ano yun pre?
What is the most relevant media literacy function?
For me, the most important function is knowing how to check if information is true.
And why?
Because there is a lot of fake news online. This help us avoid being misled and help us make better decisions.
Salamat, pre. Yun lang.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड